Day 4. Day 4 in Bali. Day 2 in Ubud. Today we're gonna go do yoga at the Alchemy Yoga Center in Ubud. Oh, little fluggy partner.
It's an
Earthworm. But first we're gonna go grab some breakfast. We haven't had breakfast here yet. But yesterday when we were on our way out in the morning to have brunch, the lady from the Airbnb came after us like, hey, do you want to have breakfast here? No. We're like, oh, not today, but maybe tomorrow. So we're gonna do it now. And maybe after that we're gonna go visit an elephant sanctuary.
So we just got done at a yoga session that was amazing. It was in this really nice, I don't know, dome bamboo thing, super nice. And I think it was an American lady that was teaching us, right? Yeah. And she was very goofy, very bubbly, very genuine, and yeah, got super sweaty, but we did it in the morning, and now we have the whole day ahead of us, and I feel alive and energized and fresh.
It was a very good idea.
Yeah, good idea to do it in the morning, and now we're up to the elephant sanctuary. So you will see some elephants soon. We're now at the elephant sanctuary. This is where they have saved 27 Sumatran elephants because their jungle and forest was destroyed completely in the 70s, and in 1997 they founded this place, and it was founded by a family, and they started it on their own. They didn't receive any government funding, but they were like, we want to save the elephants, and now they have a resort here, like you can see the bungalows where people can stay. Oh, elephant!
Look at them!
Elephant! Let's go look at the elephant. Aww. Big boy or girl. Christina just got some elephant food, tritos. They look very ready for a trito. Yes.
In a bit they'll be ready for me. For my trito.
There you go. Another banana for you? Yep. Good to go.
He eats everything. He's so hungry.
Oh, did he eat
He's
that?
just throwing it in.
Yep. All good.
Okay, do you have more? Stick.
Not
The way
that
he
stick.
just yanked that.
Not that stick.
Oh my god.
Oh, you got two. Oh, look at him.
He likes the carrot.
He can pick.
I'm feeding the right one.
Yeah. You're hungry. He wants the whole basket. Nah, disappointed.
Okay, then I have nothing more for you.
This is just photo? Photo. Yeah, photo. Good photo.
There's no more.
The baby said hello.
The baby said hello. Give me a little kiss.
Walk by here. Oh look, that's where you can stay. And then you just like see the elefantes the whole day.
You basically just stay by the elephant.
Yeah.
So
That's super cool. Just
you
look
wake
out
up
the
to
window.
the elephant.
Yeah. Look at this little guy. There you go.
You can.
He sees you with the treat.
He sees the trito. He's hungry.
He doesn't like the carrot.
The other one might want the carrot. Oh, he might like her carrot. Doesn't like our carrot. No, doesn't like carrots.
Carrots are not his thing.
What about you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that works. What about a banana?
You like bananas, sir? Or ma'am?
Okay, but I want to give him two. Okay, you get. Okay.
He's ready.
Like, I'm ready.
One more.
What about a steak?
No.
Like, come on, you can do better.
I'm ready for something.
Do you like carrots? No? Can I?
Yeah.
No, he's down for the carrot. He yeeted the basket. Careful with your basket, baby.
It's okay. I'll okay. Little couple or friends. That's us. The
It's
store
us?
to see.
I'm just bunching some grass. Yeah, I forgot. Warning. Elephant in heat. This elephant is curly and must and can be highly aggressive. Okay. Sorry? Yes, sure. So nice for the elephantes. Oh, we did a tour around the park, and now we think there's an orchestra.
We know there's an orchestra.
We know there's an orchestra. We
Because-
think they're going to play for the elephant.
But now they just set up in the field with the elephants, and the elephants are all gathering up. So I think they're gonna have a concert for the elephant.
Little elephant concert.
That's so adorable.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna have even a better show. Elephants and orchestra.
Best of both worlds.
So cute.
Found our lunch spot for today. Very excited. We're gonna have some pork belly. But yeah, look.
Tempe.
Sekarang baru.
I know these tricks. Not falling for it. Do that when you have some food in your hand.
The kitchen is right there. Our food is being grilled up on an open fire. Very cool. Kuchalo. No kuchalo. Little stinker.
Okay, you can film me now.
Yeah. Yes. This is the pork belly. And then we have some vegetarian noodle.
With tempeh.
She is very excited for our food. The potentials.
Going to jungle.
Good. We have left the restaurant. The views were amazing. Christina's noodles were also very tasty. The pork was also very tasty. It was very nice and spicy, really good flavor. But the thing is, it was cold. Maybe we're being a bit extreme.
We're not. I read reviews. You're not supposed to eat uncooked, raw, or food that has been cooked and then refrigerated or left out.
Yeah.
And we don't know what the conditions were.
So yeah, I didn't have that, but the doggies...
I think the were very low. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, the doggies enjoyed what I didn't eat. So now we're at a waterfall, apparently. The road got super muddy and kind of sketchy, so we're walking it. Even though somebody's mopeding right behind us. I'm not sure. Let's try walking down first. Big pieces of bamboo, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is the view right now. The rain has stopped. You can hear the birds and the jungle animals. But yeah, insane. Really blessed to be here. Do you want me to go first?
There's water in here and it's filled with worms. Small worms.
Yeah.
So, sanitize the hands before we go. Now I feel like I'm in the jungle.
Alright, we've been walking for about 5-10 minutes down this jungle path, and I'm balancing on a ladder across some stones. Oh, and just stepped in a giant thing of mud. Watch your feet, baby. Maybe step over here. Thankfully, I have closed-toed shoes, but Christina has her Birkies on. Birkies are not the best hiking shoe. They're taking our places, that's true. Okay, sketch. Look at this. Do you want a hand?
Nice. definitely a workout to go up those stairs.
Yes.
I hope we're going the right way.
We're going the right way.
Because we didn't come from this way, we took a different path that is supposed to take you up and just wrap around the other side of the waterfall. So it should technically take us on the same spot where we started off. So far, I don't reckon there's anything.
Because we're doing the wraparound. There were two entrances to the waterfall, and we took the first one where we met the really nice lady. So we're gonna go donate so that they can keep this place nice and clean and beautiful for anybody else who comes to visit.
Visitable. Definitely a unique experience.
Man, it's so gorgeous. Yeah, I think so too. Okay, perfect. We made it back.
A few moments later.
So, the path that we thought would work to bring us back up, it did bring us back up, but back up somewhere else. Not where our bike is or where we know. We ended up in a village and there were some people there. Didn't look familiar at all. So we're just going back down through the waterfall again so we can go back up the exact same place we went down.
Yeah, it's not really like they have a lot of signage around
There's
here.
no sign here.
There's chicken and
There's
cow.
chicken and one cow and one man that spoke English and asked us, "Are you okay?" And we're like, "Yeah, we're fine."
We're fine, we just lost.
Kucha number 2.
Yeah, landmarks are kuches.
So, I hope we'll make it back to our bike
We will. I'm positive.
before it gets dark or rains. It's an adventure, different than we anticipated or expected. But hey, that's part of an adventure. You can't plan it all, I guess. We'll see. Now the road is split. Where do we go?
Oh, that way.
Up or down?
Down.
We'll see. It'll be fine. We made it! We found the same path again. We went to the waterfall again, so now we're going back the same way we came here through this slippery, sloppy rocks and mud. Evening. We just got back to the room. We went to the restaurant a little bit earlier from the Airbnb and had some snacks, some fried rice and some sweet spicy chicken and some Bintang's beers. We tried to edit some videos on the laptop, but Josh couldn't figure out how to make the videos work on his laptop. But it's not really being able to handle the 4K footage that we took with the GoPro. Joshua is editing something super nice for me. It's a picture that we took earlier at the waterfall. Just playing a little bit in Lightroom, trying to figure out some nice edits.
See.
Excited to see! It already looks awesome. It looks like a professional photo. Although we just did it with the phone. Profesh bean. Yeah, and right now it's pouring down some heavy rain. I think, yeah, we think our neighbors had some flooding situation going on. So we came very fast into our room to check it out, see if we're fine or if we have some issues as well, but we're good. Thankfully, there is nothing leaking in the room. Everything is perfect. It's quite beautiful to just be inside and hear the downpour. It's really, really heavy rain. But it's very peaceful to be in. Even when we're in the little restaurant area and all around us was raining super hard, and the little ditches that were filled with fishes and water were almost over flooding because of the heaviness of the rain. So yeah, that is our update. We forgot to film an outro. But I really wanted to come back here and thank you so much for watching this video. We ended up just chilling and relaxing in the room. We didn't do anything interesting anymore. But yeah, thank you so much for following our journey. Like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed watching and if you want to see more videos from us. We are uploading every Saturday, so if you like, just stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!